This faceless YouTube channel makes over $365,000 a month from its anime videos. In this video, I'll explain how you can create your own anime channel that could go viral and help you earn endless passive income, even if you've never seen an anime episode before. Step 1. Research the anime niche and topics. So, why choose anime? Because anime fans are super dedicated and really active on YouTube. When they enjoy a series, they love discussing it, watching reviews, and catching all the details they might have missed. If you can make videos that match what they want, you're hitting the jackpot. But remember, timing is everything. You need to pay attention to what's popular right now. The first thing to do is figure out which anime are currently trending. It's not just about picking your favorite series and hoping it works out. You need to see what people are actually searching for. Check out Google Trends and type in anime. When you search for shows, you'll find a bunch of different results, but the key is to focus on the ones that are getting a lot of attention. If you scroll down to the related searches, you can spot trends in what's popular right now. For instance, I noticed that Solo Leveling is a rising search at the time of recording. Another good way to see what's trending is by looking at streaming services. Even if you don't have a subscription to Crunchyroll or Funimation, their websites often display the most popular shows right on the main page. The idea is to pick something fresh, something people are excited to talk about. If you still don't know where to start, take a look at Reddit. The r/anime community has tons of chats about the newest episodes, and you can see what's trending there. You can also hop into Telegram groups where fans share links and discuss what shows are good to watch. Plus, following anime accounts on TikTok and Instagram can help you find out what's popular and what people are debating in the comments. Seriously, you don't have to come up with new ideas. Just notice what's already catching people's interest. Step 2. Sign up to DupDub. When you choose a popular show, the next step is to make some videos. You can do summaries and commentaries, which is a great idea. It might seem a bit intimidating at first, but it's actually simpler than you might imagine, especially with the help of AI tools. Let me tell you about DupDub. This tool will make an entire video for you. To get started, click on this button to sign up for a free account. After that, just enter your information, follow the instructions, and set everything up. It's really easy. Here's the process. Once you've signed up, you can upload a clip or an episode of the anime you want to work on. DupDub will automatically transcribe it for you. Then, you can use this tool to create a script, add a voiceover, and combine everything into one video. Step 3. Upload an episode to DupDub. First, go to a website where you can find the episode you want to watch. If you're using sites like 9anime, just type in the name of the anime and the episode number. Once you locate it, hit play to start watching. Now, here's the key step. You need to download the episode. Many free streaming sites don't have a download option, so you'll have to use a tool like Internet Download Manager, IDM, or a browser add-on like Video Download Helper. After you install one of these tools, they will automatically recognize the video you're watching. Just click Download and save the file to your computer. Make sure to check that the episode quality is good enough for editing. 1080 pixels is best, but 720p is okay if that's all you can find. Once the episode is saved, open DupDub and head to the transcription section. You'll see an option to upload files. Click that, find your downloaded episode, and upload it. This might take a minute or two, depending on the file size, but DupDub does the tough part for you. Once the episode is uploaded, DupDub quickly checks the audio and makes a transcript. Just choose English for the transcription language, and wait for the text to show up. It's really precise, so you'll catch everything from what the characters say to background noises, like gasps and explosions. After that, you can start working on your script. You want to turn that transcription into an exciting script. In DupDub's AI writing tool, you can use this as your prompt. Make this transcription into a summary that feels like a conversation, has a touch of drama, and keeps the audience hooked. Insert transcript. The result will still need some adjustments, but a lot of the hard work is already done. Put your own twist on it. Talk about the episode like you're having a talk with a friend. For example, if there's a surprising plot twist, share how crazy it was, or what caught you off guard. The more relaxed and natural it sounds, the more likely people will want to keep watching. Step 4. Add a voiceover. Some people might not feel comfortable recording their own voice, and that's totally okay. With DupDub, you can use AI voiceovers that are super easy to access. Once you finish your script, just copy and paste it into the voiceover tool. You'll find a bunch of different voice options, like male, female, young, or old. For anime videos, a voice that sounds lively, dramatic, and relatable is usually the best choice. After you select a voice, you can even make adjustments. You can add pauses for drama, slow it down during important parts, or speed it up when things get exciting. You have all the control. Step 5. Edit. This is the place where everything connects. First, upload your video clip, then match it up with the voiceover, and begin creating your timeline. The key part is to match your audio with the visuals, so you're not using random images at random times. To steer clear of copyright problems, remember not to use any single clip for longer than 5 seconds. You can mix and match different parts of the video to fit your script better. Also, think about adding some color effects to change the look of your footage a bit. I also recommend including some background music. The right music can really change the feel of your video. Make sure to choose royalty-free songs to avoid any copyright issues, and select tracks that match the mood, like intense music for action scenes or happy tunes for lighthearted moments. Adding subtitles is another good idea. They not only help more people enjoy your videos, but they also keep your audience interested. Step 6. Optimize and upload your video. Videos are judged by their thumbnails, and that's just the way it goes. Use bold text, bright colors, and eye-catching images to spark curiosity. If you're showing a surprising moment, hint at it in the thumbnail, but don't reveal everything. The titles should be straightforward and to the point. Also, remember to optimize your descriptions and tags. Make sure to include keywords such as the anime's title, the episode number, and terms like anime recap or explained. This helps YouTube figure out what your video is about, making it easier for the right viewers to discover your content. You can take out the best 60-second clips of your video and upload them as shorts to your channel so that you can attract more viewers. This process is so simple that you can easily make videos again and again. This will help you stay consistent and grow your channel. What do you think about the anime niche? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.